Okay, welcome to Screencast 16 for the Royal Conservatoire of Scotland, Introduction to Vectorworks. This is task 1. This is your first task that you will complete and then send to me. So, I still have my 100 by 100 grid and snap grid set up from the previous exercise. So if you have lost that or you are starting again fresh, then try and do that without following the screencast, and if not, go back to the start of screencast 15 and it will show you how to do it again. So what I want you to do is to use a variety of tools to write your name. The letters should all be 1000 millimeters high, or 10 boxes if you like, and I want you to give each letter a different color. So again, just to make it nice and easy for you, I'm going to do about 3 different ways of doing the letter S. So polyline tool, corner vertex. If I have, say, 5 and I go down, what would that be? I'm making this up along. I'm just going to freeform this. Could be about there, down. Don't know if that's. No, it's not so good. We'll go back one there. Back to there. It's not the best S, but you kind of get the idea. There we go. There's a chunky S. I'm going to make sure it's a closed polyline, so there's closed there. So that's one way of doing the S. I might do a series of boxes. This is probably maybe a better way of doing it. Do another box there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that one wasn't the right height. So there's my boxes, and I will choose all of them there, making sure, so that's 5 rectangles, and we want to modify add surface, and there's an S there. I might do, let's do another one here, that size, and then we'll do another there, and then we will do a, this time we will clip the surface and get rid of that, delete. In fact, I could have taken that over actually instead of drawing another one. That would have been a better way of doing it. Clip. So select both objects and clip surface there. In fact, when I'm talking about clip, possibly a fourth that I hadn't really considered until right this second. Take the clip cube rectangle and just, that was me, I got the clicking wrong. Clip cube and chop that out, and same again, chopping that out. So that should be case of just delete that and delete that. There we go. Those. Again, probably if you remember back to me talking about the polyline is probably the one you will go to by default, but is not the easiest way to do it. There's 4 different ways of doing the S. And remember, you choose any way you like to do your name. If you have a very, very short name, then add some more letters in, or do your surname, or something else. Just get at least do 5 or 6 letters and do them different ways. Once you've done them, choose different colors for your letters, and save this as well, because we'll be going back to it again. Choose different colors, choose different line colors as well. So the pen colors, if you like. So do a red, and also different pen thicknesses as well. So there we go. There's a different pen color, different pen thickness, and a different color. So make sure, one thing to do is to make sure all your shapes are closed, no matter how you draw them. Make sure they're closed, and make sure each letter has a different color and a different line or different pen color and different pen thicknesses as well. Once you've done that, send me the Vectorworks file, the saved Vectorworks file. So file, save as, and then you'll get a wherever to save it, and Vectorworks drawing VWX, save it as that. So I want to see the Vectorworks file, and do not proceed with any more tutorials until I have seen your file and commented back to you to say, fine, carry on. I've seen it so many times now that people have sent me 4 tasks in one go, and by the time they've got to the 4th one, they think they're doing well, but they are making basic mistakes, and we've got to go back. Get this basic stuff right, get the snapping boxes right, use a variety of different methods, and I'll be able to see what different methods you've used from the way that the letters are done. Use a variety of different techniques that we've gone over in the last 15 screencasts to make your letters so that you're getting a good handle on creating shapes, known shapes, and they must be 1000 millimeters high. Doesn't matter on the width because it'll depend on the letter. Use your discretion there. So that one would be a try again because it's not 1000 high. Okay, please send me that once you've done. Once I've commented back saying great, carry on, then you can move on to the next screencast, but not until. Thanks a lot. See you on screencast 17.